It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. This is a garden tour. I did a proper one and uncovered everything with my other camera, and there's no sound on it, so I'm totally and utterly annoyed. Little greenhouse, nothing going on. Temperatures quite good. I have peas all along here. I put a structure for them to climb up and then realised I've got to put fleece over them. But there is some peas. And because I pulled all this back earlier and then videoed, and now they're all back in place, I'm not doing it again. I'm annoyed. So peas all down here, nothing in here. In here is my shallot, second-early potatoes and some radish and turnip, and you can actually see them through the fleece there. Some of the turnips, not the potatoes, because they only went in just over a week ago. Nothing on my Jerusalem artichokes. This all here is planted up with onions. See if I can pull a bit. There's all different varieties, as you can see, or possibly not. Those are onions I grew from seed. There are some white onions that I grew from sets. Well, not grew from sets. I put the sets in. As you can see, my rhubarb, which I moved from over the other end of the garden to round my apple tree, it's taken and they're growing. Brilliant, thank you. In here I've got my seed trays of different things, and they're resting on the pots. There are my first early potatoes, and I planted up with peas along there, peas there, peas in the middle there, and more peas. Down the side of it I put some lettuce. There I got spare. In this larger greenhouse, my lettuces that I planted out here have got attacked bad by slugs. So I bought this wool pellets that repels them and planted up lettuce that I got. So it doesn't look too bad at the moment, and they seem to be holding their own against slugs, and I don't think slugs are getting in here. I have replanted a few of them up, but the seeds that I planted, carrot seeds along here, together with radish, the radish has come through, but the carrots haven't as yet, because it was only what, a couple of weeks ago. But I don't think, as you know, I have no luck with carrots, so I don't think it'll all germinate. Peas for shoots are coming along nice, and the turnips and radish have been munched a bit, but I'll put some more of the sheep's wool down to see if it does any good. I've got some more seed trays which are full of things. My tomatoes have just come through, so I've brought them out of the house and in here. But we'll see how they go. I'm just annoyed at the other camera that I used. So this is just a quick show. Thank you. Bye.
It's a